opportunities for students. Dr. R. Shivakumar, a leader who has always placed student growth at the forefront. Cutting ceremony. This is truly a special moment. And there it is, the ribbon has been cut. The ABB Robotics SRM Easwari Global Excellence Center has now been inaugurated.
Waiting for us, the students. But before that, there's one last rite of passage to be done. Let's put our hands together as our esteemed dignitaries come together to officially unveil our new robotics lab. Countdown. With a countdown.
With a countdown of 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. The ABB Robotics SRM Easwari Global Excellence Center is officially...
Welcome to ABB Robotics SRM Easwari Global Excellence Center.
Countdown போட்டீங்களா? Countdown போட்டீங்களா?
The first off, our sport welding cell will be inaugurated by Mr. Anand Kiran, founder, chairman and managing director of Anand Kiran Group.
Oval sheet joints between sheets is through resistance welding.
Palletising, sorry. Excuse me, sorry.
Physically inbuilt cell.
Hi for everyone. This is basically for a metal body polishing. As today's generation, due to more than quantity, we are going to quality. So everywhere we are using the metal gadget from electronic side. It's like the mobile, tablets or watches. Currently what we are using, it is so with the quality perfection, right? So before this, the metal body will go and come at a perfect shape by it will get a
and to bridge the gap between industry and academia.
Focus on arc welding.
I request the
solution expertise and product and portfolios with the SRM, I think that it is the right match for each other, whether academia and industry come together, build an experience center, create an ecosystem for students. It is not all about training. It is the ecosystem where students can come and have their projects. This is an industry within an university. We try to build an industry within an university where students can come, have training, hands-on training. They can run their project. We from ABB Robotics, we are very happy and we are very proud to be associated with SRM Easwari. And thanks to your initiatives to pulling us into this journey and to help academia and push academia and to bridge the gap between industry and academia.